Okay, it's July 8th. I think it's 1:68. I got maybe an hour of sleep last night. Oh, I feel miserable. I was going to take another trail down, but they say it's even worse. So, it's pouring down raining this morning. Stopped now, fortunately. But I have to go up and over Mt Madison. Gonna have to take some time off the trail to get well. They said this was the easy way. Oh boy. Okay, I've reached the summit of Mount Madison. Rock strewn place today. Okay, I get down. I'm not sure, I guess this way. A little bit of a view here. Let's see. There's Carter Notch, the Wildcat Range, the Carter Range, Mount Moriah is in the clouds. Gorham is down there. Maine through those clouds. Berlin up there. Mount Washington is in the clouds right there. Well, that's where I came from. It's Mount Madison in the clouds up there. Goes up quite a bit higher than you can see. This is where the big reroute goes, or the detour. The normal AT goes that way, but due to the bridge being out, they've rerouted it this way. I'd hope to go that way, other way anyway, but since I'm not feeling good, I'm going this way. This is a real hiking trail. Okay, this is Route 16, going to Pinkham Notch, where my car is, and I'm gonna have to hitchhike to get there.